Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to allow Bedrock players on Java Aternos Minecraft. Firstly, create a free account at aternos.org. Then click Create to make a new server and give it a name. Select Java Edition from the blue bar at the top and do not start the server yet. Now go to the Software tab on your server page. Select Paper or Bucket from the options and click Install. This will replace the default server software. Go to the Plugins tab, then search for ReviewQuasar MC and select it. Click the small download icon next to the latest or compatible version to install it. If hosting locally, download it from papermc.io. Now, back on the main server page, click Start to launch your server. Click Connect below the server name to get your IP address and port. Now, open Minecraft Bedrock Edition and go to the Servers tab. Scroll down, then click on Add Server and enter the server name, IP address, and port from Aternos. Then click Save or Play to join. Now your server supports both Minecraft Java Edition and Bedrock Edition players, enabling crossplay on the same world. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.